Hi, my name is Sarah Poche Madsen. I was born in Louisiana, but I moved around a lot growing up. I have lived in Michigan, Tennessee, Alabama, Oregon, Alaska, and I currently live in Utah with my husband and 7 children. I started the Pathway program 4 years ago, and I am slowly working my way towards my bachelor's degree. As a student at Brigham Young University, Idaho, I am majoring in web design and development with an emphasis in web design. With only 6 classes remaining, I have achieved a grade point average of 3.87. This has taken a lot of hard work and dedication while also being a full-time mother. As a mother, one of my favorite things to do is to watch my children grow. It is hard to recognize any change on a day-to-day basis, but when I look back through their lives, it is easy to recognize the skills and knowledge that they have achieved in such a short amount of time. This is how I feel about my experiences at BYU Idaho. I have learned and grown a lot with my time there. If you are willing to give me a chance, I will continue to work hard and be dedicated to my job. I know that I will grow personally from the experiences at your company, but your company will also grow because of my hard work and my dedication. Thank you.